Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from XMO to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving rapidly, transferring assets like USDT securely is more important than ever. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just moving funds, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both XMO and Binance and that your USDT is ready to go. Start by logging into your XMO account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Balances section to locate your USDT. Now, head over to the Withdraw option. This is where the magic happens. Next, select USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. Pay close attention to the network type. For speed and lower fees, I recommend using the TRC20 network if it's available, but double-check what's supported on both platforms in 2025. Enter the amount you wish to send, then paste your Binance wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Copy it directly from Binance to prevent typos. After that, you'll need to confirm the withdrawal. XMO might require a 2FA code or additional security verification, so have that ready. Once submitted, keep an eye on the transaction status. It usually takes a few minutes, but factors like network congestion could affect this. Now, switch over to your Binance account. Go to your wallet and refresh to see if the USDT has arrived. If everything went smoothly, you're good to go. But remember, always check for any transaction fees and ensure you're using the correct network to avoid lost funds. In 2025, crypto transfers are faster and safer than ever, but stay vigilant against scams. If you encounter any issues, reach out to XMO or Binance support. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.